Hey guys, I'm back with another video for Project Throwback. This is a series where I'm visiting my project that I worked on back in days. So this is a project I worked on very recently, I assume, around 6 to 8 months ago. This is not my project. This is one of my friend's projects, where he has used iframes of detection in which he has scraped the data from the official websites about MLAs and dropping the particular coordinates. He searches the data center for the particular MLA info and renders it. We'll look into the demo first. So we see that there are so many. Okay, so there are so many, what you say, MLAs and everyone. So I had a opportunity to work on this project with the fellow mate. The main contributions that I did in this project is particularly in the UI area, in where I worked on the UI part, mainly in enhancing the homepage layout and styling to uh, to have a standardized styling overall. This was the first project where I worked on Vite actually. I didn't really knew and I hadn't explored Vite and other React-based frameworks back when I started to work on this particular project. Uh, he has actually Ketan has done a very good job in this particular project. I would want you guys to check this out, to check this project out. My role was really minimum in this project, but the learning that I took from this project is really massive. So that's it, I guess. We'll come back with the different exploring of other projects in the coming days. Thank you.